National Weather Service in Jackson has issued a tornado warning for Central Lincoln County in central Mississippi, southeastern Hinds County in central Mississippi, until 5:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:23 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Dry Grove, or 9 miles west of, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Jackson around 4:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Around 4:35 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Richland and Florence around 4:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Pearl, Flowood, and Monterey around 4:50 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Brandon around 5 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Tallahatchie around 5:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.